IPS RRB Clerk mains. Okay. So clerk mains. So see 161 to 165 or 166. They given pie charts. Refer the graph and answer the given questions. The given data is regarding the percentage of the total population of males and females and only males population in 5 cities. In one chart they given total male plus female and another chart they given only males. If you subtract male from total, then you will get female also. How many cities are there here? 5 cities are there. A, B, C, D, E. 5 cities. Total male, female. Total male, female. So total male, female. See here. And see the note also they given. The difference between the total population of city A and that of city B is what? 420. City A, city B is how much? How much percent difference is there? 3% is nothing but 420 na. 1% is nothing but 140. Their total is nothing but 1% is 140. Total it is 14,000 na. Then that is very easy for you. All of it clear na? Now city A 18%. So 20% is 2,800 na. 2% is 2,800. If you subtract 2,800 from 28,000, remaining is 25,000. 25,200. Are you clear? Next 15% is nothing but 10% 1,400, 5% 700. 1,000 na 25 2520. Next 2,000 100. Next 22% is not 20% plus 2%. 2,800 plus 280. 3080. 30. Next 20%. 2,000. Next 25. Half. 3,500. Now coming to males. In the note itself, the number of males in city B is 33 1/3% more than the females in the same city. City B na? City B. 33 1/3% more is nothing but 3 parts is females, 1 part more na? Males are 4 parts. Together is which city? City B. 7 parts is 2,100 na? Then 4 parts is 3 parts is together is 2,100 only. Are you clear? And if you see the second pie chart, city B males are how much percentage? 15% is nothing but 1,200 na? 15% is 1,200, then 1% is 80. 1% is 80. 100% is 8,000. Males are 8,000. Females are 6,000. Now percentage they given in respect to percentage. City A is 20%. 20% of 8,000. 1,600. City C 15%. 15%. 1,200. City D 25. Half. 2,000. Here also 2,000. Now 2,520, 1,600 difference is how much? 920. 3,080, 1,200 difference is 880. Sorry, 1,880. Next to 2,800, 2,800 here. So once you fill this data, the questions are very easy for you. Are you ready? So see the first question. What is the ratio of the number of males in AC together? Males in AC together. AC together is what? 2,800 na? AC together is 2,800. And females in DE together. Females in DE together 2,300. Ratio is 28:23. 28:23. Are you ready? Next. What is the difference between the average number of males in BDE together and the females in ACE together? BDE males first. BDE males. BDE. How much, Rana? 3 to 5,000. Just keep aside. Don't calculate average. Just keep aside. ACE females na, ACE alternative I think. Nana, if you add 20 here, this is 1900 na, 1900 plus 900, 2800, 2800 plus 1500, 4000, 4300. Difference is how much? Difference. Average na they're asking 5200 by 3, 4300 by 3. If you do like that, you will get the same answer, but that will be a circus. All of you clear, Nana? Go for difference and take average. Are you ready? Next, they're talking about CTC. If 55% males in CTC and 45% females in CTD were officers, and 60% males in CTA and 50% females in CTA were clerks, then the number of clerks in CTA and CTE, number of clerks in CTA and CTE, clerks in CTA, if you observe carefully here, number of clerks in CTA males, here they given 55% males in CTC na, 45% females in CTD are officers na, and 60% of males in CTA, 50% of females in CTA were clerks na. We need A clerks. If you observe carefully here, all of you, A 60% males are in clerk only. Here 60% clerk, 60% males in CTA is clerks only na. They're asking number of, first of all, CTA males is how much? CTA males. In that one we need how much percentage? 60%. 16 6 are 96. That is nothing but 960. And females E. Females in E. Nana in E clerks are how much na? 50% na? E. 50% is E. 1500 na? 1500 50% is nothing but 7. Together is how much? Together is 1710 na? Together is that 1710 is what percentage of the how much na? 1710 is what percentage of the number of officers in CTC. CTC males. Nana CTC 55% na? 55% is nothing but 50% 600, 5% 60, 660, and D how much na? 45. Females 50% 400, 5% is 40. If you subtract 40 from 400, 360, 360 plus 660, 360, 660, 1020, 1020. 1710 is how much percentage of 1020? Then it is more than 150% na? It is more than na? If you go for into 100, almost one, it's not 172%. Yes or na? If it is 172%, numerator should be 1720, denominator should be 1000. So your answer is, so no need to go for into 100. Are you ready? The total number of males in all cities together. Total number of males in all cities together is 8000 na? Is what percent more or less than that of females? Females is how much? They compared with the females na? More or less is nothing but difference na? Difference is 2000 na? 2000 by 6000. 1 by third. 1 by third is nothing but 33 1 by third. More. Males are more. Less option is also there. Males are more than girls. Less option is also there. That is the reason. Next one. In how many cities number of males is more than that of number of females? Yes, first city is more. Yes or not? Second city is more. Third city is no. Fourth city. Fifth city. Total how many cities? 4 cities. CTF. We don't know CTF na? No problem. The number of females in is 500 more than the CTE. 500 more than CTE. That is nothing but 2000. Number of males in CTC are same as that of CTF. CTC males 1200 together is 3200. I think this set is completed. So we'll solve the sets first. $177, huh? $177 to $181. Now see here. A fruit vendor sold 3 different fruit items: apple, kiwi, orange, in 3 different months. What are the months? April, May, June. So what are the 3 different fruits? Apple, kiwi, orange. Now, if you observe carefully here. So first statement is what? Total apples sold in April is same as that of oranges. Total apples sold in April. So April total apples, we don't know, na? Sold in June. Sold in April. Total apples sold in April is same as that sold in June. Oranges sold in June. Oranges sold in June. This value and this value both are keep aside. And is 20 more than the total apples sold in June. Total apples sold in June. June manaku telusana, that is 20 more antunnadu kada. Just keep aside. We'll see later. And total oranges sold in April respectively. Okay. Total apples sold in May is 20 less than the twice the apples sold in June. Total apples sold in May is 20 less than the twice the total number of apples sold in June. June we don't know, na? Say for example, we assume some Y. For example, in May it is what? 20 less than the twice of June. Twice of June is nothing but 2Y. 20 less is nothing but minus 20. Are you clear? Next. Total kiwi sold in April. Total kiwi sold in April. And the total oranges sold in May is same. If you observe, Nana, total kiwi sold in April, some X. And total oranges sold in May is same, na? Are you clear, Nana? X, which is, where it is, which is what? Oranges. Which is twice the total number of oranges sold in June. Therefore, June it is what? X by 2. If this is X, this is X by 2, na? For June, May is twice. X by 2 into 2 is nothing but X only, na? Are you clear, na? If this is X by 2, this is also, because previously we already read out that statement, both are same. Next, total kiwi sold in June. Total kiwi sold in June is twice the total apple sold in June. Total apple sold in June is, then twice is nothing but 2Y, na? Are you clear, na? Next, and the total apple sold in all the 3 months together is 400. And I think we left some statements beginning, na? So we'll see that those statements now. Now see here, where we left that one. We need kiwis in May month. Yes or not? Kiwis in May month. See here. Total apples sold in April is same as that one. Oranges sold in June is 20 more than the. See here. Oranges sold in June. Oranges sold in June is how much? X by 2, na? Oranges sold in June is, that X by 2 is 20 more than total apples sold in June is Y. Keep aside. Next, na? 20 less. Next statement is what? And total oranges sold in April respectively. So total oranges sold in April respectively, na? Keep aside. Total apples sold in May is 20 less than the twice the total apples sold in June and 20 more than the total kiwis sold in May. 20 more అంటున్నాడు అంటే ఇది ఏమై ఉండాలి అప్పుడు 2y minus 40 నా then only this 2y minus 20 is 20 more. If you add 2y minus 40 plus 20 then you will get 2y minus 20. Are you clear nana? Now if you observe nana, we know total apples in 3 months na, x by 2 plus 2y minus 20 plus y is equal to 400 na. All of you clear na? X by 2 is nothing but 20 plus y. Now tell me 20 plus y, 2y minus 20 plus that is equal to 400. Now 4y na 20 get cancel. Y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 4y na, y is equal to 100. Now if y is 100, all values we will get na. Are you clear nana? Y value is 100. This is y value is 100, 2y is 200, 2y minus 20 180, 2y minus 40 160, x y is 100, y is 100 plus 20 120 into 2. Therefore this is x by 2 is x then x by 2 is x by 2 is, and one value is left out, that is oranges in April month. If you observe carefully here, oranges sold in April month respectively 20 less na, it is 20 more and 20 less na, therefore that is nothing but this is also 100. Now we will get all the values. So once you fill this data, then questions are very easy for you. See the questions. What is the first question? If the total apples sold in April is 20% more than March, which is 25% more than Feb, then find the total number of pens sold in Feb. Total apples sold in April is 20% more than March. April is how much first of all? 120 na? 120. That 120 is 120 percentage na? Because 20% more is nothing but 120 percentage. 120 percentage is nothing but 120. 120% is nothing but 120, then 100 percentage is, therefore March month it is what? March month 100, April month 20% more is nothing but 120. Are you clear nana? Next, which is this 100 is 25% more than, and that is what? 125 percentage na? 125 percent is nothing but, then 100 percentage is what? So 25 5s are 25 4s are 520 times 420 times 80. Therefore February month it is 80. So April month is depends upon March month is depends upon Feb month. They given April month, they asked Feb month. All of you clear nana? Shall I go for the next question? If the total defective apples sold in April, May, June 20, 25, 30 respectively, then find the total number of non-defective apples sold in all the given months. They're talking about apples na? So 20% defective na? 20% defective is nothing but 80% correct na? 96 na? 80% of 120. Next 25% defect na? 1 by 4th defect na? 45 defect na? Remaining is 135. Next 30% na? Remaining is 6 to 5, end with only one option. 6 to 5 11 na? End with only one option. Are you ready? If the cost price of kiwi in April is 5 rupees. Kiwi in April is what na? 5 rupees. Next, it is increased by 20% in May. 20% is nothing but in May month 6 rupees na? 20% and 5 rupees is nothing but 1 rupee na? It becomes 6 rupees na? And 25% in June from May. 25% on 6, 1.5. Therefore June month is So April month is 5 rupees, May month is 6 rupees, June month is 7.5 rupees. Are you clear? Which fruit? Kiwi. What is the amount paid to buy total kiwis in all the given months? Kiwi. April month 240 na? 240 into 5 rupees na? 240 into 5 rupees? 1200. Clear? Here 160 na? 160 into 6 is nothing but next to June. June how many? 200 into 7.5, 1500 na? All of it clear? 1500 plus 900, 24 plus 12, 36, 60. Otherwise, end with 62 options are there. Okay, no problem. Are you ready? What is the ratio of total kiwis sold to that of oranges, apples together? Kiwis total. Kiwis total is how much? 600. Kiwis total. Next, oranges are apples together. Oranges is how much? So 360, 460. 460, 400, 860. 600 is to 860. Which table? 20 table. 23, 20, 30 times? 20, 43 times. Your answer is 30 is to 43. Kiwis to oranges plus apples together. All of you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Average number of fruits sold in May and average number of fruits sold in June together is what percentage of average number of fruits sold in April? Average number of fruits sold in May. May is how much, Nana? May apples. Fruits, they're asking May month total. How much? 580. Average is? Don't calculate average. We need percentage only na. Average by average automatically get cancelled na. Just don't calculate average. How much na total? 580. Okay. Average number of sold in June month is what? June 4 100 to 300 to 400 460 Nana 100 to 240. Which June month na? Okay, June month. So June month is what? 420. This is what? So together is they given two together na? Together is, don't calculate average, keep aside. Next, percentage of average of number of fruits in April na? April is how much? April. Therefore 1000 by 460. Nana 1000 by 3, 460 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 200% na? More than 200%, very closer to 200% na? Which option is there? 217. Very closer. 200% is nothing but 920. It's very closer. Are you clear? So don't calculate averages. If you calculate average, then you will get decimals. Because 1000 by 3 is nothing but decimals only na. 580 by 3 is also decimals na. Next, data sufficiency. Yes, we will solve these questions. Data sufficiency are very easy. See next to tabular DI 187 to 192, tabular DI. Company ABCD together, ABCDE. Total employees they given technical, non-technical, other. Tell me fast. A, B, C, D, E. So total they given technical, non-technical, others. Technical, non-technical, others. Total, technical, non-technical, others. Tell me fast. Total it is how much? 6000. 20, 30, 13 is nothing but 63 only. 63. Therefore 200. So 2000, 3000, 1300. Next, 5700 na. Total parts are also 57. Therefore, tell me fast. 2500, 2000, 1200. Next, 84. C is 8450 na. So total it is how much? How many parts? 1100, 1600, 1690, 1690 only. This is 84. I think exactly 5 times na. 1600 5 times 8090 5 times 450 5 times na. Now tell me 502 5 times. 2510. 603 5 times. 3015. 585 5 times. 600 5 times is how much? 3000. For 600 this is how much less? 5 less na? Sorry, 15 less na? 15 5 times 70. Therefore 2925. Now 600 into 5, 5 into 15. Are you clear? Next 8500. Tell me fast. Total how many parts? 17. 17 parts in 17 5s na? 5 500 times 2500. 9 500 times 4500. Next 3. Last one 7650. How many parts? 101, 150, 150, 153 5 times na? 41 5 times 20, 2050, 65 times 3000, 52 5 times 2600. Once you fill this data, questions are very easy for you. Are you ready? In company A, ratio of male to female employees in technical, non-technical and other. Okay. Company A, technical ratio is how much na? 3:2 na? Total 5 parts na? 5 parts is nothing but 2000 na? Each part is 400 na? 3 parts is 1200. 2 parts is 800. These are males. These are technical department. Yes or not? Next non-technical 7:3 na? 10 parts. 10 parts is nothing but 3000 na? Each part is 300. 7 parts is 2100. 900. Next other 10:3. 13 parts na? 13 parts 1300 na? Each part is 100. Okay. This is which company? A company. Company D. Ratio of male to female. Ratio of male to female. Same. 5 parts. Company D. 5 parts. 5 parts is nothing but 2500 na? Each part is 500 na? 2500. Next 9 parts na? 9 parts is 4500. Each part is 500. 2000. Next 1:1 na? 750. 750. This is company D. This company. They're asking question is what? Then what is the ratio of female employees in company A? Female employees in this one only na? How much na? 1200, 2000 na? 2000 na? 2000 is to. Next to female employees in company A and male employees in reverse lo unda question. Then what is the ratio of the female employees in company A na? First one ichindi enti manaku male to female only na? Then total it is how much? Company A 2000 na? Company A 2000 na? Next male employees in company D. Male employees in company D 4750. It goes 250 table na? 250 8s are 250. Your answer is 8:19. 250 table nana 25 table. Are you clear? For 1250s are 4 nana, 2008, 4016, 753. Are you ready? Next question. Total number of technical and other employees in company C. Technical and other employees in company C. Technical and other employees together na 2500 to 2900 is 5400 na 5435 5435. Next, are more or less than the total number of technical and non-technical employees in company B. Company B 4000 difference is 935 more na. Are you ready? Next, total number of technical employees in company ADE together. ADE technical. ADE. So together is what? ADE. 6550. 6550 is what percentage more than the total number of other employees in company ABD? Company ABD. So 2500 4000 na. They compared with 4000 na. How much more? 2550 na. All of it clear na? In 4 table 25 goes 6 times na. Our answer is very closer to 60. Very closer to. But how many options are there? So many options are there. Don't worry. 4 6 are 24 na. Remainder is 15 na. 4 3s are na. Remainder is 1 na. 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Your answer is 63.25. 4 6 are. Remainder is 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is nothing but 3.75 kada. 3.75. 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 15. 15 by 4 ante 15 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 ante 3.75. Are you ready? Next question. Total number of employees in AC together. Total number of AC together is how much ana? 11,000 AC kada. 14,750. 14,750 is what percentage of the total number of employees in DE together? DE 15,000. Sorry, 16,150. 16,150. Now look at here, all of you. 14 by 16 is nothing but 7 by 8 na. 7 by 8 na. 7 by 8 is nothing but, if you observe, 7 by 8 is nothing but, 7 by 8 is nothing but how much na? 87 and half na. 7 by 8 is nothing but 87 and half na. 87 and our answer is more than 87 and half, and it's very closer to 87 and half. Where it is? Very closer to 87 and half. More than 87 and half. Which option is there? 91.33. More than 87.5 nana. All of it clear? 14 by 16 ante 7 by 8 na. 1 by 8 ante 12 and half na. 7 by 8 ante 87 and half na. But 750 is more than 150 na. That is the reason our answer is more than 87.5. It's very closer to 87.5. That is 90. Are you clear? లేదంటే మీరు దాన్ని సర్కస్ చేస్తే మామూలు అవుతుంది. ఇంటూ 100 వేస్తే జీవితం అయింది. అలా క్లియర్ అన్న. డోంట్ గో ఫర్ దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సర్కస్. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, what is the difference between the average number of technical employees in all the companies together? Average number of all the employees in all the companies together. All the companies together na. Other employees, technical employees. Average na they're asking. Na technical employees total na 2000 4 2 all 5 are 2000s only na. 10,000 10 500 1000 plus 500 11,500 na. 11,500 plus 60 11,500 and Don't take average. Keep aside. We'll see last. Other, other. Tell me fast. 1300, 13, 12, 25, 29, 54, 54, 15, 69, 69, 26, 75, 95, 9,500. Only 25 is there na? 9,525. Difference na? We need difference na? Difference for 60, 25 difference is 60, 25 difference 40, sorry, 35, 30, 35. But our answer is end with all options end with 7 only. No problem. 11,000, nana 115 would 90, 95 difference is 20. 2,000 by 5. అయిపోయింది 407 టిక్ కొట్టేసి ఆల్రెడీ. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న another company F అంట. Yes, new company. The number of technical employees is 40 more than that of company C. Technical employees 40 more than that of company C అంట. 40 more అంటే 2550. And the ratio of technical non-technical employees in that company is 17:12. Technical and non-technical. Now technical is 17 parts na. Non-technical is how many parts? 12 parts. Now 17 how many times na? 17 ones are 17 fives are na? Yes or not? 12 into 150 na? 12 into 150 is nothing but 1800 na? 18. They're asking technical plus non-technical together na? 2500 plus 1800, 4300 na? Plus 50, 4350. Your answer is 4350. 17 150 times 2550. 12 150 times 1800. 18 plus 2500, 4350. Are you clear? I think this is completed. Next, quadratic equations are very easy na. Tell me fast, what are the roots? 15 3. 15 minus 15 minus 3 na. This is 3 minus 3. You can say confidently x is x minus 3 also equal na. X is less than or equal to y. Next, x cube is equal to 729 na. X is equal to y square is equal to 81 na. Y is equal to plus or minus 9. X is always greater but sometimes equal. Next, see here. Now Rangamma, Mangamma, Saryu, very good. Started on business with the investment ratio of 20:24:2. After 1 year, Mangamma withdraws 25% initial investment. First of all, Rangamma na. Rangamma. First year is how much na? 20. First year is how much na? Second year increased by. Second year it is 30 na. Only 2 years business na. After 1 year is nothing but first 1 year is 20. First 1 year is what na? 20. Second year is what? 30. First year investment is 20. Second year investment is 30. No problem. Together is 50. Okay na. For 12 months రాయమంటారా into 12 నువ్వు రాసుకున్నానా. నెక్స్ట్ మంగమ్మ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ 1 year 24 parts. After 1 year 25% withdraw na. 25% is nothing but 1/6 na. 1/4. 1/4 of 24 6 withdrawn 18. Next, Saryu. So nothing is there for Saryu. 22 into 40. Which table na? 2 table. 225 times. 221 times. 222 times. Next, data sufficiency questions ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, అవి చేద్దాం. That's very easy. Question where it is 180, 182. ఫస్ట్ ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఈజీగా ఫాస్ట్గా అయిపోయి చెప్పాలి. ఓకేనా? చూడనా 182. The options are different Nana this time. Options are different. So find the length of the train. Question number 182. 182. We need to find out length of the train now. Read the first statement. A man is standing at the bridge. Okay. The distance from starting point is 500 meters. From the ending of the bridge is 660. Okay. That the remaining distance the train to cover. All of it clear Nana? By using statement 1 alone is sufficient. But here not sufficient. They given redundant. Ante avasaramu ledu. Leave. Without. So by leaving the first statement, answer is possible. By leaving the second statement, answer is possible. Like that. All of it clear Nana? Ante first statement meaning entante only statement 1 is redundant. Redundant is nothing but if you remove first statement, answer is possible. Second statement is what? If you remove second statement, answer is possible. Third one it is what? None of these. Fourth one is what? None of the statement is redundant. None of the statement is redundant is nothing but both are sufficient. Both are required. Both are required. Any of the above statement alone is redundant is nothing but either 1 or 2. Are you clear Anna? Options they are asking in different way. Now see that only one is not possible na. Only one is not possible is nothing but you have to remove second option. Only two is not, only one is not possible. All of it clear na? Next, the train takes 5 minutes to cross the whole bridge in 6 meters per second. By using this one, it's not possible to find out the train length na. Train length is nothing but whenever train crossing a man, in that case only the train length will come. Only 2 is also not possible. All of it clear na? But if we combine both, we will get. So your answer is both are required. Both are required is nothing but you have to choose. None of the statement is redundant. నువ్వు దేన్ని కూడా వదిలిపెట్టకూడదు, రెండింటిని పట్టుకోవాలి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ నానా? ద ఆప్షన్స్ దే ఆర్ ఫ్రేమింగ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ అప్రోచ్. కొంతమంది అది మర్చిపోయి redundant అన్నా సఫిషియంట్ అన్నా ఒకటే అవుద్దా? అవదు. నెక్స్ట్ అన్నా. So question number is what? 180, 183. So what is the question? What is the average weight of the new students added? See the statement 1. In a class, 36 students are male and their average weight is 15 kg, more than that of the female students. 9 males and 6 female students joined the class and the average weight class increased by 0.84. But here we don't know the number of, in a class 36 students are males, but we don't know female. Then it's not possible to find out. So only one is not possible. Next, 2 male students in the class is 12 more than the female students, and adding 9 male students to the class, increasing the average weight of the male students by 1 kg, and adding 6 male students increase the average weight of the female students by 0.6. Here they didn't mention number of males or number of females. Here is also we don't know the strength of the class na. Is it possible to find out the answer? No. Only 2 is also not possible. If we combine both also, in second statement they didn't mention about strength. In the first statement they given some males, but in the second statement we don't know about the females also. By using 2 also, first is not your answer, second is not your answer, fifth is not your answer, fourth is not your answer. Your answer is none of these. ఏమీ చేయలేం. రెండింటిని యూజ్ చేసి కూడా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పలేం. బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. మనకు జనరల్గా మనకు ఎలాంటి ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది? By using 2 statements also, answer is not possible. But here none of these. Next Anna. Question number is what? 184. See here. Question is what? What is the sum of the lengths of 2 trains? What is the sum of the lengths of 2 trains? Look at here, all of you. 2 trains length మనకు కావాలి కదా? Sum కావాలి, not individually. Sum. In the given data itself, some data they given. 2 trains running in the opposite direction. That is one keyword. Cross each other in how many seconds? 60 seconds. See here. L1 plus L2. We need this one na. This is distance na. Distance is nothing but speed into time na. Speed is relative speed na. Opposite direction na. S1 plus S2 na. into time na, time they given na, how many seconds? And in order to find out this value, we require how much? We require relative speed na, we require s1 plus s2 na. And now see the first statement. Sum of the speeds of the trains is 42. Yes, by using statement 1 is possible. By using statement 1 is. Now check statement 2 separately. Okay na? Difference between the speeds of the trains is 12. Is it possible? And you have to deduct which statement? You have to leave which statement? Not one. One is required. You have to leave second statement. మీలాంటి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కొడతారు. One is required. You have to leave second. They are asking which statement you have to leave. Second statement you have to leave. Second statement అవసరం లేదు. All of you clear nana? Are you ready? Question number 180. 185 చూడనా ఈ మోడల్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. 185 na? Yes, see. What is the sum of the ages of Abhinav and Abhinay? Very good. Manchiga ichindu. After 10 years. Okay, no problem. 7 years ago, Abhinav's age was 8 years more than the Abhinav's is 8 years more than the, and the difference is 8 years na. Simply you can say difference is 8 years. At any point of time, that two persons the difference is always same. But by using only statement 1, it's not possible to say the answer. Are you clear nana? Now see the second statement. The ratio of present ages of Abhinav and Abhinay and Abhinav was only by using only parts. It's not possible to say the value. So only statement 2 is also not possible. But if we combine both, 7 parts, 11 parts, difference is 4 parts. 4 parts is nothing but 8 years na. Then you have to find out present ages na. If you know present ages after 10 years is nothing but you have to add 10 na. Now both are required. Then which option you have to choose? Tell me. Which option? None of the statement is redundant. దేన్ని వదిలిపెట్టకూడదు, రెండు కావాలి నాకు. Both are required. None of the statement is redundant. Are you clear nana? Next nana. 186. What is the number of students who went to the museum by car? If the ratio of the students travel by the 3 different modes, bus, train, car is 5:14:2. We need what? Question is what? Number of students who went to the museum by car. They given parts. Okay nana? They given parts. Car is nothing but which one? Bus, train, car. Last one na? We need 8 parts na? Yes. See the first statement. Number of male students who went to the museum is 90 more than the number of female students who went to the museum. All the female went to the museum by train only. 60 males went by train. Is it possible by using only statement? They given females to males, they are given train only. By using train only, is it possible? See the second statement. Total males who went to the museum by bus and car is only males they are talking. We need total na. Is it possible by using statement 2? Only one is not possible. If we combine both, then we will get here how many bus? 390. How many car? Together is 390 na. And the train also we need na. We need total males na, and females data also they given na. All of it clear na? By using 2, by using both the statements, answer is possible or not? Answer is possible or not? Now you have to, your answer is tell me. Both are required. Then answer is none of the statement is redundant. So now tell me single items, where it is single items? Now see fast. Question number. Find the perimeter of the square. Find the perimeter of the square. Now look at here, all of you. They're asking find the perimeter of the square now. Perimeter of the square is nothing but 4a na, and our answer should be 4 multiple na. Our answer should be 4 multiple na? All. Wait. The ratio of the area of the square and rectangle is what? Area of the square is 9 parts na? Area is 9 parts, side is 3 parts na? Side is 3 parts na? 3 parts. Then 4 into 3. Perimeter is nothing but 4 into 3 na? 4 na? 12. Our answer is 12 multiple. But still how many options are there? 2 options are there. Okay, no problem. Each side of the square is square root. What nana? Rectangle. Each side of a square is 30 meters more than the breadth of the rectangle. So breadth of the rectangle is some x. Each side of a square is x plus 30. Next. And length of the rectangle is 15 more than its breadth. So 15 more than its breadth is nothing but 15 plus x. Now if you go for circus is nothing but x plus 30 whole square. Side of a square is x plus 30 na. Area is nothing but x plus 30 into x plus 30 na. X plus 30 whole square by the rectangle area is nothing but 15 plus x into x is equal to 9 by 5. Go for cross multiplication. Then we will get quadratic equations. So then solve, then we will get. After going home, do that one. We don't solve like that. Okay, Nana? So we'll go through options. We'll go through options. Now tell me, Nana. First option is what? The 240 is perimeter, na? Then side is 60, na? Tell me fast. Side is 60 is nothing but this is 90. This is side is 60. Side is 60. Side of a square is 60 now. Wait. Side of a square is 60 is nothing but x plus 30 is 60. Then x is this is side is 60. Then 15 plus x na. This is 45. Now tell me 60 into 60 by 45 into that is equal 9 by 5. See here, Nana. 15 3s are 15 4s are 31s are 30 2s are. Is it possible? 8 by 3. Is it possible, Nana? No. Next two. If we go for 360 is nothing but Nana. No need to check option 4 and option 5. Now if we check 360, that is satisfied, that is your answer. If it is not satisfied, then 420 is your answer. Are you clear, Nana? Now 360 is nothing but 90 na. Side is 90 na. X is 60 na. X is 60. This is 75. Now 90 into 90 by 60 into that is equal to how much, Nana? 9 by 5. See here, 0 get cancelled na. Are you clear? Next two. 3 3s are 3 25 times. 3 1s are 3 2 times. So this is 50 na. 50 na. 0 get cancelled, nothing but 5 only. 9 by 5 only na. Your answer is 360. Now if you go for quadratic equation, definitely it will take some time. All of you clear, Nana? So don't go for quadratic equations. Next. 7 persons are standing in a row such that persons with the lowest weight is standing in the middle of the row. The average weight of 3 persons from the left is 66 kg and the average weight of 3 persons from the right is 58 kg. Find the weight of the middle person. If the average weight of all the 7 persons is 58.5. Total 7 persons are there. Total how many persons are there? Lowest person is standing in the middle. So we need to find out that person weight. All of you clear, Nana? So first 3, Nana. From left side, first 3 is what, Nana? 66. Average is 66. Average 66 is nothing but middle number is 66 na. Right from right side 58 na. 58 na. General students ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తారంటే చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా 7 into 58.5 minus 3 into 66 plus 3 into 58, then solve this one, then you will get answer. Very good. Total 7 persons, subtract first 3, last 3, then you will get middle person. Yes or na? General students are doing that circus na, but we don't do that circus. See here how you are solving. Look at me here, Nana. Average is 58.5 na. First 3 persons, how much more than average? 7.5. చూస్తున్నారు. How much more than average? 3 into 7.5 na. ఎవ్వరు మాట్లాడలేదు అన్న. 3 into 7.5 is nothing but 22.5. 22.5. This is 22.5 more na. Next, this is how much less for average? 0.5 na. 0.5 is nothing but 0.5 is nothing but into 3 na. Into 3 na. 1.5 na. 1 point. This is less na. This is more na. This is more na. Now we need the middle person na. Middle person 58 na. Middle person is how much? 58. 58.5. Definitely less. This is extra. This one we have to add and this one you have to subtract. 1.5 have to add and 22.5 we have to subtract. Nana 1.5 is nothing but 57 na. 57 minus 22.5 is nothing but 37.5. 57. Yeah, 59 na. 59. That is nothing but 37 point. Sorry, this is 60. 60 minus 22.5. 58.5 plus 1.5 na. 60 minus 22.5 is nothing but 37.5 only na. Sir, why you are adding plus 1.5? That is less. That is the reason that one you have to add. Why you are subtracting 22.5, sir? That is more. That is the reason you have to deduct. Are you clear? After going home, do this circus, then you will get the answer. But in order to do this circus, this is very easy na. All of you clear na? Shall I go for the next question? Cost price of P is 30% more than that of selling price of Q, and the selling price of P is 80% more than the cost price of article Q. The selling price of P is 50% more than the selling price of Q. Then the cost price of article P is what % more or less than the cost price of the article Q is that? Nana, here, see, observe carefully here. Cost price, selling price, article P, article Q. All of you clear, Nana? All of you clear, na? Now see here. Cost price of P is 30% more than that in selling price of Q. Selling price of Q is some 100. This is 130. Next, and the selling price of P is 80% more than the cost price of Q. Selling price of P is 80% more than the cost price of Q. Cost price of Q is 100. This is 180. Next one, if the selling price of article P is selling price of article P, this is na 50% more than the selling price of 50% more antunadu. 50% more ante this is 100 na. Therefore this is 150. This is 150. This is how much? 180% is nothing but 150. Then 100% is how much? So 29s are 20. 5s are 5. 150 times 750. 750 by, this is 750 by 9. Next one, cost price of P is what percentage more or less than the cost price of Q. So difference na, they compared with what? Cost price of Q na. That one you have to keep in the denominator na. In the numerator you have to take the difference na. Difference is nothing but 130 minus 750 by 130 times 1170. 1170 minus 750. 170, 250. 420. 420 by 750 into 99 automatically get cancelled. Yes or not? Now 50% is nothing but 375 na. 50% is 375 na. Our answer is more than 50%. It's very closer to 375. It's very close to which person na? 56. And 51 it's not possible. 51 is it possible? Because 50% is 375. 50% is how much? 375. Then we need 420. So 420 is near to which one? So 56. All of you clear, Nana? Next question. Are you ready? Pipe P, pipe Q alone can fill a tank in 56 hours and express 32 hours. If the total time taken by P and Q together to fill the whole tank in 31.5 hours, then find the value of X. Tell me now, P alone how many hours? 56. Q alone we don't know na, unknown variable na. Next, but together is 31.5. 31.5. So total tank capacity. Which table it goes? 3.5 table na? It goes 3.5 table na? Smallest number goes how many times? 3.5. 3.5 2s are 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are na 3.5 na 3.5 2s are enta 7 4s are enta plus 3.5 na 28 plus 3.5 is nothing but 31.5 only, and 3.5 table how many times it goes? 9 times. 9. This one definitely it goes 3.5 table na. 3.5 2s are 7 7 8 is 56. Yes or not? Therefore this smaller one goes 9 times na. So 9 into larger value, 9 into 56. 9 into 56, 504. LCM is 504. 56 how many times? 9 times. 31.5 how many times? 31.5 how many times na? 16 times na? 16 30 times 480. 16 1.5 times 24. 480 plus 24, 504, 16 times. P efficiency is 9. P plus Q efficiency 16. Then Q efficiency, Q's efficiency 7. 504 by 7 7s are 7 2s are. Therefore total it is 72 hours na. That 72 hours is equivalent to x plus 32 hours na. All of you clear na? X plus 32. Therefore x is your answer is 40. Are you clear? So next to maximum solve చేయండి. ఇంకెన్నో 5 ఉన్నాయా? అలా నెక్స్ట్ వాళ్ళకి లేట్ అయిపోతుంది. So 2 subjects are there again. Thank you Nana.